Vanakkam, Krishna Mackenzie. So this work has really started. It's wonderful. A lot of people are planting, people are making WhatsApp groups, Facebook pages, people are calling each other to help and share seedlings. You know, there is a revolution around food security and people's commitment to make that happen in Auroville. And if you want to start, I would say the best thing you can do now, because now it's hot in the summer, the farmer season starts in July, but the best thing you could do now, if you can water it, is plant a Ramphal. This is the Ramphal tree. So Ramphal gives these fruits. It's from the Annona family. This is the custard apple family. And now there are no fruits left on this tree except this one. But this tree has given us buckets and buckets of fruit since about 2.5 months. And people have been crazy for this fruit. You know, they're queuing up for it. It's so valued. It's so tasty. It's like a custard inside. It grows like a weed. It ticks all the boxes of local food, grows easily. As it grows easily, there's no expertise. There's no, I know how to do this and you don't. Anyone can do it. You know, the seeds they're just dropping everywhere. Look, I just saw those on the floor. Those are the seeds. They're just falling. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's so many saplings growing around here. And we have this tree growing everywhere in the farm. Look, there's another one here. There's another one over there. There's more over here. They're all over the place. And because they grow easily, use less water. You know, they have a good taste, good medicinal nutritional value. They're culturally relevant. Plant a Ramphal plant. That's probably the best thing we can do. We have loads of seedlings and we're growing more. You know, we're giving them away in Auroville. You know, this is something that we're happy to share. And if you're doing a circle garden, boom, that goes in the middle of the circle garden. Around the circle garden is a banana, a drumstick, papaya, turkey berry, maybe another papaya, another banana, and then some spinaches. And that could be started now. People are asking me, well, what could we do now in the circle garden? Well, at least some bananas and spinaches and papaya, drumstick, maybe some tapioca. Those are all feasible now, as long as you water them and mulch them. And then come July, then we'll get cracking. There'll be a next wave of energy in July. But Ramphal, that is something so valuable. I see that growing everywhere in Auroville. I mean, we won't be able to sell any anymore because everyone will have them. But let there be abundance. Let there be abundance. Ramphal is where it starts. Thank you very much.